Hello and welcome to another episode of Wise Fuss. In this video, we are going to show you how to make money with OpenAI's language model, ChatGPT. If you are interested in making some extra cash or starting your own business, this video is for you. The first method is blog posts. You can earn money by writing blog posts for clients on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. The rate for a 500-word blog post can range from $100 to $500. And using a tool like ChatGPT can assist you in working more efficiently and increase your ability to take on multiple clients. Here's a simple process to create a blog post with the help of ChatGPT. First of all, decide on the topic of your blog post. Choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about or interested in, or one that your client has asked you to write about. Ask questions. Use natural language to ask ChatGPT questions about the topic you have chosen. You can ask for general information, specific details, or even examples. Review the generated responses. ChatGPT will respond to your questions with relevant information. Review the responses to see if they meet your needs and if they need any editing. Edit and refine. If needed, you can edit and refine the responses generated by ChatGPT to ensure they fit your desired tone, style, and format. Use the responses to create your blog post. Use the responses you have received from ChatGPT as the basis for your blog post. Arrange the information into a coherent structure. Add any additional information or insight and format the post as desired. The last step is publish. Once you are satisfied with the post, it's time to publish it on your blog. Share it on your social media accounts to help it reach a wider audience. While ChatGPT can be a useful tool for generating ideas and information, it's important to review the information generated to ensure accuracy and compliance with any legal or ethical requirements. The second method is create a YouTube channel. You can maximize your earnings by creating a YouTube channel with 2 million views, and you can earn an average of $1,200 to $6,000 a month. Let ChatGPT assist you in producing top-notch content for your channel, making it even more successful. You can utilize the language model's text generation capabilities to create scripts for video content. Here are the few steps that you can follow. First of all, decide the topic of your video and type of content you want to create for your YouTube channel. For example, informational. The second step is provide ChatGPT with some context and prompts related to the topic you want to create content for. The third step is use the text generated by ChatGPT as the script for your video. You can either read the script directly or use it as a starting point to create a more polished final script. The last step is record your video using the final script. Before using ChatGPT for a public-facing platform like YouTube, it is important to review the text generated by the model to ensure that it is appropriate, accurate, and in line with your desired tone and style. The third method is providing product description services. You can earn from $20 to $300 per hour by selling your product description services on Upwork or Fiverr. ChatGPT can help you write effective and fast product descriptions. To use ChatGPT for writing product description, you can prompt the model with a request for a product description and provide some relevant details such as the product's name, category, and key features. The model will then generate a descriptive text based on the information you provided. For example, I have asked ChatGPT, please write a product description for the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you can see, the output that ChatGPT has generated is very effective. I'm really impressed by the output that it has generated for the product description of Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. It has included all the required features, and I am impressed by the output that ChatGPT has generated for me. The fourth method is development of chatbot for businesses. The chatbot development price may vary from $5,000 to $150,000 as the cost is calculated and varies for every case. Most software agencies and companies charge about $1,500 to $31,000 for a customized chatbot. Some companies even set a bottom price of $30,000 only for a simple chatbot. You can also provide chatbot development services to other companies with the help of ChatGPT or create a chatbot for your own business. To use ChatGPT for chatbot development for businesses, you can simply follow these easy steps. First of all, define the chatbot's objective. Decide the specific business problem that the chatbot will address, such as customer service, lead generation, or product recommendations. The second step is design the conversational flow. Plan out the flow of the conversation the chatbot will have with the user, including what questions it will ask and what information it will provide. Integrate ChatGPT. Integrate ChatGPT into the chatbot's architecture as the language generation component. This can be done through an API or by using a software solution that includes ChatGPT. Train the model. Use data and examples of conversation to train the chatbot and ChatGPT model to understand the language and tone that will be used in the conversation. Test and refine. Test the chatbot and make any necessary refinements to improve its accuracy, relevance, and overall user experience. The next step is deploy the chatbot. Once the chatbot is finalized, it can be deployed on a platform such as a website, messaging app, or mobile app for users to interact with. The last step is monitor and maintain. Continuously monitor the chatbot's performance and make updates as needed to ensure it is delivering value to the business and meeting the needs of the customers. The last method is event planning services. By using ChatGPT, you can provide event planning services to clients. Event planners usually charge on a percentage basis. The industry average is 10% to 15% of total event budget. On average, you can expect to earn between $300 to $1,000 for planning a birthday party. In order to use OpenAI's ChatGPT for event planning, you can either integrate the API into your event planning software or utilize a pre-built platform that uses the API. Here's a simple example of how you could use the API. First of all, decide what tasks or information you need help with, such as generating a list of potential venues or creating a schedule. The second step is create a prompt in natural language that describes the task and any desired parameters such as location or budget constraints. The third step is pass the prompt to the API and retrieve the generated information. The fourth step is review and utilize the generated information to assist in your event planning process. If you don't want to use software or API, you can simply ask ChatGPT questions like potential venue locations, food and decor options, and that will help you in planning multiple events and providing services to a lot of customers and generating income. It is important to note that while ChatGPT can generate helpful information, it is important to verify and edit the output to ensure accuracy and compliance with your event requirements. Additionally, it's always a good idea to use multiple sources of information and double-check details such as availability and pricing. In conclusion, making money with ChatGPT requires some effort and dedication, but it can be a lucrative opportunity for anyone who is interested in starting their own business or providing services to clients. We hope this video has provided some valuable insights into how you can make money with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching.